Good morning, dear children. How are you today? I hope you and your family are well. Today is Monday, April 20. We are going to start with our class. Are you ready? We will talk about the weather. How's the weather today? How's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather today? Please look through your window and tell me, how's the weather today? Is it snowing? Is it stormy? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it windy? How's the weather today? Today is a cloudy day. Shall we start? Okay. When the sky is full of clouds, it's a cloudy day. Look at the second picture. When the sun appears and warms us up today, it's a sunny day. When the clouds darken, fill with water, it starts to rain. Shh. It's a rainy day. When it is very cold, small ice crystals fall from the clouds, forming snowflakes. It's a snowy day. We realize that there is a lot of wind when we go out and we shovel and we see that the leaves of the trees move, or maybe the door closes along by the wind. It's a windy day. When the charged clouds collide, they make a tremendous noise. It's a stormy day. Today we are going to do an exercise. Please bring your Super Safari book and please open your book on the page 66. Page 66. Bring your colors too. We need red, blue, yellow, and green colors. Okay? I will wait for you. Don't worry.
3. Listen and act.
It's a hot, sunny day. Phew! Put your hat on. It's a hot, sunny day. Phew! Put your hat on. Eat an ice cream. Yum, yum, yum. Oh no! The sea!
at this picture. Now, you have 4 dots. Number 1, 2, 3, and 4. You have 4 colors: red, blue, green, and yellow. Listen to me. Listen the story. And please color the dot according to the story. I will be with you. Don't worry. Okay? Listen.
Pupils Book, page 66. 3. Listen and color. Red.
Eat an ice cream. Yum, yum, yum.
With red. It's an ice cream. Yum, yum, yum. Please color the dot according to the story. I don't know if it's number 1, 2, 3, or 4. Look at the pictures. Ready? Listen carefully.
Blue.
It's a hot, sunny day. Phew.
With blue color. Blue. It's a hot, sunny day. Please color the dot. Go.
Green.
Green.
Oh no! The sea! Run!
Yellow.
Green first. Oh no! The sea! Run! Color with green. And the last one, okay?
Put your hat on.
Put your hat on with yellow. Ready? That's it. No more for today. See you later, alligator. Bye-bye, sweethearts.